to know. Top 10 interesting facts about forests. Forests are indeed a very important part in order to help sustain life on this planet. Furthermore, the forest acts as a natural supermarket, providing a great source of products. We must also remember that these sources are very much limited, and we as humans need to give proper care to them in order to manage them sustainably. So let's dive into the top 10 interesting facts about forests. Fact 1. Home to over 80% of biodiversity. Everything that lives in a forest makes up its ecosystem, and the wide range of biodiversity found in these ecosystems is truly astounding. In fact, more than 80% of the plants, animals and insects living on land can be found in the world's forests. In turn, forest species help keep their habitats healthy by spreading seeds from the fruit they eat and acting as important pollinators. Fact 2. Forests can make rain. The trees in the forests are known as natural aqueducts. Forests are known to redistribute almost 95% of the water that they absorb, especially to the places where it is needed most. Over 3/4 of the world's accessible fresh water comes from rivers, in or around forests. Apart from that, they hold water in the soil and prevent erosion, and later it releases it back to the atmosphere, creating rain. Parts of the Amazon actually trigger their own rainy season. Fact 3. Forests are full of secrets. We still don't know all there is to know about our forests. We don't know how many tree species there are on Earth, but scientists estimate there are about 63,000 known species. There could be as many as 9,000 tree species, still unknown to science. Fact 4. Forests are carbon sink. Forests are incredibly good at storing carbon. Trees in general are a great carbon sink. Most of this carbon storage takes place underground. For example, in UK forests, around 70% of carbon stored is kept in the soil. The rest is stored in the roots, surface litter, and the tree above ground. In total, the world's forest removes an estimated 2.1 gigatons of CO2 annually. These forests are known to play a fundamental role in balancing the world's carbon cycle, while helping others in combating climate change. Fact 5. Forests only cover about 31% of global land. Forests once covered just under half of the Earth's land. But the total number of trees has fallen by nearly half since the start of human civilization. And it's estimated that over 15 billion trees are cut down each year. That's around 100,000 square kilometers of forest, or roughly one football pitch every 2 seconds. Fact 6. Forests help in making medicines. About 121 plus natural remedies can be found in the rainforest. From roots spreading deep underground to wood mushrooms growing high up above, forests are filled with medicine that can help with many of the things that ail humankind. Those who live in close connection with the forest know what plant to grab to stop bleeding, ease a headache, draw out a bee sting, disinfect wounds and more. Tropical forest plants are known to make almost a quarter part of all modern medicines, including 2/3 part of all cancer-fighting drugs. These medicinal plants are worth $105 billion every year. Fact 7. 1.6 billion people depend on forests. What do paper, cinnamon, lumber, maple syrup, rubber and medicine have in common? They all come from trees. That's because trees come in all shapes and sizes, and many tree species provide important resources for humans. When sustainably harvested, these resources can provide a steady income for people who create and sell forest products. Fact 8. Forests make the planet a healthier place to live. From clean water to clean air, to forest bathing, forests are crucial for the planet and for our well-being. That's because trees use their leaves to filter air pollution, absorb and slowly release rainwater, produce powerful chemicals and positive ions that help us release stress and anxiety, absorb carbon and release oxygen and more. Fact 9. Only about 1/5 of Earth's forests remain. Humans evolved with trees, and have relied on them for shade, shelter, food and medicine for generations. But today's natural spaces look very different from the massive swaths of primary forest that early humans knew. Due to population growth, the Industrial Revolution and more, the pace of deforestation has snowballed into what we see today. Every year, an estimated 18.7 million acres of forest are lost, making the planet sick and posing a danger to life on Earth. Fewer trees also means less rainfall and more drought, and many animals and plants face extinction, as their forest homes are destroyed. Fact 10. Deforestation releases carbon dioxide. Our tropical forests store about 1/3 as much carbon as is held in the atmosphere. Cutting down trees releases all the carbon dioxide that has been stored as carbon in trees, roots and soil, making climate change worse. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas which traps heat from the sun close to Earth's surface, causing global temperatures to rise, and bringing about the process we know as climate change. As climate change increases, the risk of droughts, wildfires and pest infestations increases, and stresses the forest ecosystem. There is simply no way we can fight the climate crisis if we don't stop deforestation. Thanks for watching the video. For more update to my new videos, press the bell icon. And please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to support my channel. Thank you.